The Indian rupee closed at 86.95 against the US dollar, marking a notable decline. Weakness among regional peers compounded the pressure on the rupee, affecting its stability. As the demand for dollars surged, maturing non-deliverable forward contracts took their toll on the currency. Last week, the rupee alarmingly breached the 87 mark but staged a sharp recovery soon after. The Reserve Bank of India took decisive action, believed to have sold billions to support the currency. The benchmark 10-year bond quoted at 100 rupees and 70 paise carries a yield of 6.7%, impacting investor sentiment. Investors are now anticipating a significant debt purchase, which might influence market dynamics this week. Foreign investors withdrew around $12 billion from Indian equities in 2025, deepening the rupee's challenges. The offshore Chinese yuan and rising US bond yields further complicated the rupee's recovery efforts. Understanding these market forces is crucial in navigating the turbulent waters of currency exchange.